Hey guys, Hamster Dance back. I'm at my computer right now. I would like you to meet someone. Here she is. Again. Just saying. Mystic, again. Say hello. Don't get grumpy with me this time. Okay? Okay. Let's put you down before you do get grumpy. No, whoop. Gonna have to go because introducing someone else to introduce you to. My hamster. It's in here. It's hiding, it's crawling. But I do have a hamster in my hand. Oh my god. That was my cat. I gotta go see if she's okay. You guys can watch the fight too. Let's go. What'd you do, Prince? What did you do? What? What did you do, Prince? Prince, sit. Prince, sit. Look at Prince. What? Okay. Prince, look over here. Like the camera. This is Prince. That's my dog. Just attacked my cat, but it's okay. I'll forgive him. Oh well. Okay. Back again in my room. That was the hallway you were just in. You've already been up the stairs with me. Now anyone else? My hamster wants to be held right now, so. Okay, well, it's my hamster. Alright, well, looks like he's scared. I haven't named her yet, because I don't know what color she's gonna be. She's a baby. So, better put her back. Gotta give her food. You're welcome to watch. Yes. Camera's right there. She likes eating food, I guess. No. Push it. Hold. Oh, here. Gotta go.